Technology of growing and caring for coffee in the world. Coffee is one of the most widely cultivated crops in the world, with millions of people involved in its production and consumption. The process of growing and caring for coffee plants requires specialized technology and techniques to ensure optimal yield and quality. The first step in coffee growing is to select a suitable location with the right climate, soil, and altitude. Once the location is chosen, the process of planting begins, with coffee seeds or seedlings being carefully planted in the ground. To care for coffee plants, it is important to monitor their water and nutrient needs. Coffee plants require ample water, especially during the early stages of growth, and may need to be irrigated regularly to prevent drought stress. Fertilization is also important, as coffee plants require specific nutrients to thrive. This can be achieved through the application of organic or synthetic fertilizers or through the use of compost. Another key aspect of caring for coffee plants is pruning. Pruning helps to remove dead or damaged branches and promote new growth. It is important to use the correct pruning techniques to avoid damaging the plant and to prevent the spread of disease. In terms of technology, modern techniques such as precision agriculture and remote sensing can be used to optimize coffee production. Precision agriculture involves the use of sensors and other advanced technologies to monitor soil moisture, nutrient levels, and other factors in real time. This data can then be used to adjust irrigation and fertilization levels to maximize yield and quality. Similarly, remote sensing technology can be used to monitor coffee plant health and growth from a distance. This involves the use of satellite imagery and other remote sensing tools to detect changes in vegetation and other indicators of plant health. This information can be used to identify areas where additional care and attention may be needed, such as areas suffering from drought stress or disease. Another important area of coffee growing and care technology is the development of disease-resistant varieties. Coffee plants are vulnerable to a range of diseases, including coffee leaf rust and coffee berry disease. The development of disease-resistant varieties is critical for ensuring sustainable coffee production and protecting the livelihoods of coffee farmers around the world. This involves the use of advanced breeding techniques and genetic engineering to develop plants with enhanced disease resistance and other desirable traits. Overall, the process of coffee growing and care requires a combination of traditional techniques and modern technology. By carefully monitoring water and nutrient levels, using advanced precision agriculture techniques, and developing disease-resistant varieties, coffee farmers can maximize yield and quality while minimizing the impact on the environment. With the right care and attention, coffee plants can provide a valuable source of income and sustenance for millions of people around the world. Coffee is one of the world's most popular beverages, with over 2.25 billion cups consumed every day. However, growing and caring for coffee plants requires specialized knowledge, skills, and technologies to produce high-quality coffee beans. There are two main species of coffee, Arabica and Robusta, that have different growth requirements and crop management needs. Coffee plants thrive in tropical highland climates with fertile, well-drained acidic soils.